सगळ्यांक तुमकां आमचे CCR TV पळयणाऱ्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार. हो आमचो जावन आसा आनी एक एपिसोड. इज पॉलिटिक्स ए नोबल प्रोफेशन? वयतना आयज आनीक आमकां म्हायती मेवतली. तर आमी सगळे जाणो की काम फेब्रुवारी 2022 और मोस्ट मार्च 15 देखून आयल्यान 2022 आमची इलेक्शन गोंयांत जावपाचें आसा. तयारी नेटान चलता. प्लेयर सगळे रेडी जाले, पार्टी बी सगळे रेडी जाले, पूण जायते कन्फ्युजन चलता. आतां आमी रावता द डेट ऑफ अनाउन्समेंट केन्ना जातलो तो, आनी तेन्नाच घोडये हें पिक्चर क्लियर जावंक शकता. तर हें आजून पर्यंत सगळें आमी पळयता तें चलता तें दिश्टी पडटा आमकां कितें कितें जाता तें. आनी गोंयांत फकत दोन पार्टी आशिल्ल्यो जे गव्हर्नन्सान आमकां दिश्टी पडटाल्यो. आमी म्हणटा तीन सुरवातेक सावन. MGP पयली, मागीर काँग्रेस आनी मागीर आयली आमची BJP. हे तीन पार्टीन हे रूल केल्लें आसा. तुमकां खबर आहा MGPन कितें केलां तें, काँग्रेसान कितें केलां तें, आनी आयज BJP रूल करता ते कशें चलयता, कितें करता, रिसेंट कितें जाता तें सगळ्यांक आमकां खबर आसा. तर आमचे बरोबर कोडेगांव पार्टीचो ओल्डस्ट पार्टी म्हणल्यार जाता काँग्रेस पार्टी. काँग्रेस पार्टीचो प्रेसिडेंट जावन आसा तो 2018 सावन 3 वर्सां जालीं प्रेसिडेंट, आनी प्रेसिडेंट 2022 देखून आसतलो म्हूण सगळ्यांकूच म्हायती आहा. बेसिकली हो मनीस जो आमचे कडेन आयज उलयतलो तो एड्युकेशनिस्ट, टीचर बाय प्रोफेशन, आनी तो गार्डन एंजल हायर सेकंडरी स्कुलांत तो टीचर म्हूण जावन आसा. आनी चडशे जे ताका वळखता तो एक टीचर, कोडेगांव टीचर म्हूण. तो पॉलिटिक्सान पडलो आनी निवडून आयलो विथ द हायेस्ट मार्जीन इन मारगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील. 1995 to 2000 कावन्सिलर म्हूण आशिल्लो. बरें काम ताणें केलां जेन्ना तो मारगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलान आशिल्लो तेन्ना. तो स्पोर्ट्सान बी बरो फेमस आहा. गोवा युनिवर्सिटीचो चॅस चॅम्पियन म्हूण आशिल्लो. बॅडमिंटन तो हेवला, पूण आतां तेजी म्हत्वाची गेम म्हणटा ती पॉलिटिकल गेम. तर आमचो माय मोगाचो येवकार बाब गिरीश छोडानकार, ओरिजिनली फ्रॉम कोंबा मारगांव. म्हाका दिसता चडशे तुका मडगांवकार चड वळखता, पूण आतां तूं शिफ्ट जाल्लो आहा कोंबान. आजून तुजें घर बी आहा?
Yeah, my family house is there.
Your family house is there.
My uncle stays there.
Yeah. तर you are in the opposition for the last 5 years. तो तुमकां मॅन्डेट दुसरे भाशेन दिल्लो, पूण तो जावंक ना. आनी म्हत्वाचें म्हणटा तें सगळें आयज गोंया पळय म्हणटा करप्शन is a blazing topic across party lines these days. What people are looking for is a corruption-free government. काल पयर आमी पळयलां कोंगोड्या कितें जालां तें. इट्स ऑल अरावंड करप्शन अगेन. मोठे मोठे लोक आहा, मोठे मोठे पयशे आहा. तर करप्शन इज द यूज ऑफ पब्लीक ऑफिस फॉर प्रायवेट गेन. हें चालू आहा. आनी कालच्यान आमी पळयलां इट्स ऑल ऑन बीग करप्शन दॅट इज नाव एंगल्फ्ड गोवा. दुसरें म्हणटाचें चड दुखीचें लोकांक दिसलें, तुजे आमदार पळय आशिल्ले खुद काँग्रेसाचे अकस्मात राठ्यां भितर सोडून तुमकां गेले आनी ते दुसऱ्या पार्टीक जॉयन जाले. तुका हाजेर तुजें मत कितें आहा न्यू इलेक्शनाचेर?
गोंयचो लोक BJPचे लास्ट 10 yearsचे जे रूल आसा, आय विल नॉट से इट एज अ रूल, आय विल से इट एज अ मिसरूल, misgovernance, the corruption, various scams, and destruction of environment. They are on destroying the Goa's identity, Goa's heritage. The jobs are being sold. Our youths are moving out in search of better opportunities. So these are the various problems Goa is going through. And this election is the election for a change. People will be voting for a change.
दिसता तुका रियली
People want to vote for a new government. People had voted in 2017 for a new government. But unfortunately, the power-hungry BJP at the center and at the state, they have used the Raj Bhavan as their BJP office. They used the Union Home Ministry not to allow Congress to form the government, despite being the single largest party, winning 17 seats of its own and one independent MLA supported by Congress. So 18. We were just short of 3 seats. And this power-hungry BJP, they bought over all the MLAs, they used Raj Bhavan, and they didn't invite us to form the government. And that is where the things started moving wrong. So it's unfortunate that this party, which the BJP, the party with difference, the so-called party with a difference, have ditched the people of Goa by overturning their mandate. Now, people are angry again. It's a time for them to take a revenge for overturning their mandate and for all the misrule that they have done during last 5 years. And we are prepared. We want to change ourselves the way people want to see the Congress.
If you say that you want to see a change, do you think that these people, when once elected, they will remain with the party on which they have been elected? Is there that guarantee now?
We have a mechanism in place this time, and I want to assure through you, your viewers, that this time not a single MLA will leave Congress, will defect from Congress, going against the mandate of the people. That is assurance. As a president, I am giving you today.
Yeah,
That full precautions.
it's fine. You have to give this a guarantee. But is there a guarantee among these individuals whom now we see? Is there a guarantee?
So, see, it depends again on what kind of MLA candidates that you are choosing. आमच्या गोंयांक द डिफेक्शन म्हणटा तें न्ही. डिफेक्शन जायत आहा गोंयांक आनी आमी नॅशनल लेवलाचेर गोंयचें नांव पेड्ड्यार जालां. बट फर्स्ट टायम काँग्रेस टूक अ बोल्ड डिसिजन आफ्टर हियरींग फ्रॉम द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. गोंयच्या लोकांनी आमकां सांगलें की हे डिफेक्टरांक डिस्ट्रॉय करपाक जाय. So we have taken the first step.
Which step घेतला तुम्ही?
Saying no to defectors, no re-entry to defectors, no ticket to defectors.
कोणाकूच ना.
एकल्याकूय ना. Last 2.5 years आमी हे बोल्ड डिसिजन घेतलां आनी आमी परत उलयत आसाक, आयजूय उलयत आसतात आनी फाल्यां उलयत आसतले की ह्या डिफेक्टरांक आमी डिफीट करपा खातीर आमी तांकां नॉमिनेशन दिवचें ना. Number 2, we have taken the first step to keep them away. The second step is expected from the people, that people will not vote them again. None of these defectors should get re-elected in any form. Even if they spend money, people should teach them the lesson, so that there is no future defection. लोकांक भंय दिसपाक जाय. फक्त डिफेक्ट जावप म्हळ्यार लोकांक कडकडो येवपाक जाय आमदारांक. आयज आमदारांक कितें जालां? दुडू मेळटात, पयशा बॅग मेळटात आनी लोकांक सांगप आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे विकास करपाक जाय, डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक जाय म्हणून आमी डिफेक्ट जाता म्हणून लोकांक विचारनासतना डिफेक्शन करता. यू गेट इलेक्टेड ऑन वन सिम्बॉल, देन you change on. So I am fighting this case in the Supreme Court, and now it is before the High Court.
ते एंटी डिफेक्शनाचेर तुम्ही केस घातल्या
Yes, I am
तर ताजी
fighting.
प्रोग्रेस कितली जाला
You know our judiciary system. First speaker took 20 months to take a decision on that. I had to go to the Supreme Court to get the directions to the speaker. Now we have moved to the High Court. Again in the High Court also, till that petition came up, a lot of time wasted. So now the hearing is fixed on 5th of January. I just hope against the hope.
तुम्ही आता तिकेट दिवपाक सुरवात केली आणि जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन डिफेक्ट जाल्ले थंय तुम्ही अनाउन्स केले कॅन्डिडेट
Out of 10, 2 constituencies we have announced. That is in Kepe, where our CLP leader, Mr. Chandrakant Kavlekar, he defected. So we have their young boy, Alton. We have declared his nomination. And as per the feedback that I get, the entire Kepe constituency is supporting this young boy, Alton, who was there with me right from Youth Congress days. And people of all religion, all caste are completely तेजे फाटल्यान support करून rally करतात आणि indication is very clear that Alton is winning and Babu Kavlekar will get his first defeat since 2002.
आणि एअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी
Taligaon, we have given the nomination to Tony, who was the ex-mayor. तेजे पयलीं घेवचे पयलीं थोड्या लोकांक दुबाव आशिल्लो कारण तो मनसुरात फॅमिली कडेन लागीं आशिल्लो म्हणून. Then we consulted lot of people. His own team we were working with. And then we got to know that he is genuine and is man of word. He will not sell himself. So when we were convinced that Tony will not compromise, he will not go against his word. And when we realized that, then we have given him entry and we have declared his candidature. So at any cost, this Monsurat family has to be defeated.
पूण लोक पळयता आतां ते ट्रेंड पळय आहा आनी टेंडन्सी ते म्हणटा कोणाचेरूच गॅरंटी आयज ना. आज देखून एक न्यूज कोण ही एक पार्टीक सोडून दुसरे पार्टीक जॉयन जाल्लो आनी ते म्हणटा की तो हे आतां परत तेच पार्टीक परत येवपाक ट्राय करता म्हणून. हें अशेंच चलतलें आमचें जंपींग फ्रॉग्स पळय आहा हें कित्याक जाता पयशांक लागून न्हू.
डेफिनेटली ग्रीड जो आसता तो ग्रीड जितले आमचे मनीस जन्माक येवन सुद्दां जालो चोय त्या टायमार सुद्दां हो ग्रीड आशिल्लो. आमच्या देवांक सुद्दां ह्या ग्रिडान जे आमी जुदास म्हणटात तेणी देवांक सुद्दां पयशां खातीर फटयल्लो आसा न्ही. आयज आमी मनीस पूण जेन्ना पयशे दिसतात तेन्ना पयशे दिसतकच तुका सगळें विसरतात.
पूण इंटेग्रिटी ऑनेस्टी म्हणटा ते इज डिसअपियरिंग.
It's not disappearing. We have to build a cadre and we are working on that.
That cadre, don't you think, can be built up only by a younger generation?
Yeah, but it takes time. The younger generation also have to, you need money also. Means from good source. You need time to dedicate to your voters. So it's a combination of various things. It's not just money that make you win. So we are actually in the process of changing the Congress.
Yes.
It cannot be done overnight. We have taken certain steps. This time we decided we'll give 70% of the tickets to younger faces, new faces, and we'll continue to do that. And luckily, thanks to BJP, thanks to TMC, आमचे जे सगळे कोण ग्रँडफादर्स आनी कोण जाणटेले ना काय म्हणून लोक आमकां सांगताले परते परते आमकां तांकां कुशीक बसोवपाक त्रास जाताले सायडीक काडपाक की आमी ते कल्चर आशिल्ले तांकां रेस्पेक्ट करप. पूण आमकां TMCन आनी BJPन हे सगळे लोकांक वयले आनीक आमकां एक तरेन आमचे पार्टी क्लिनिंग प्रोसेस एक नॅचरल वेन जाल्लें आसा. नाल्यार एक बेश्टेच तें दुखोवपा पडटलें आनीक बॅड टेस्टान जातालें. दे हॅव लेफ्ट, दे हॅव गॉन बाय.
लोक चडशे वोटर्स अशें म्हणटा voters of Congress are almost intact, तशेंच voters of BJP are also intact. हें म्हणटा चडशें आलो ना. पूण ऑफ लेट न्यू पार्टी येयल्ल्यो आसा. म्हणटून हें इलेक्शन will be perhaps most probably division of votes, and this division of votes will benefit one party.
No. So one thing we must understand, the trend today is that any survey, if you analyze, you will find that survey shows 60 to 70% of those who responded to the survey, they are against this dispensation, BJP government, Pramod Sawant government. ते तांकां म्हणपाक भायर मारपाक जाय. So this sentiment is very strong across Goa. It's not only in the South Goa or Salsette, it is across Goa. So the trend is very clear that people have decided to defeat this government.
Yeah, I mean, as an opposition party, you have to say that.
I'm not saying it.
But are you convinced?
I'm not saying this.
Yes.
People are saying this because it's reflected in the surveys. Almost all the surveys, many media has also released. We have conducted our own survey. We have seen other surveys also. So the trend is almost clear. 60 to 7% of those responded to the survey, they said they are against this government. So trend is very, very clear.
So the trend, do you think so, is reflecting on what is happening day to day? Like, for example, the other day, we had this big incident in Kalangut. Do you think it's also helping you?
See, I'm coming to that point. So the moment 60 to 70% of the people have decided to defeat this government, then they have the options. Now in Goa, everyone knows that it's only two parties who have a strong base. Whether we like it or not, BJP has its own vote share, Congress has its own share. BJP has realized one thing in Goa, considering Goa's ideology, Goa's culture, Goa's thinking, and ideology of Congress, thinking of Congress, it matches. So Congress and Goa can go together because ideology of both are very close. Whereas BJP's ideology and Goa's ideology does not match. So for Goans and for Goa, BJP is something like some artificial thing, unwanted thing. So with this trend, BJP knows that they cannot defeat people of Goa and they cannot defeat Congress. So what they have done as their strategy, last election they brought one team, one party, which helped them to defeat our two candidates, 2 to 4 candidates. Otherwise, single-handedly we would have crossed 21 seats. Now I'll just give you one example. Sankalp Amonkar in Marmagua, who's a young youth boy, he lost that election by just 140 votes. And that Aam Aadmi candidate, Kalwas, he got secured 260 votes. That means he lost, Sankalp Amonkar lost because of this particular candidate. Same thing happened in Kortali, same thing happened in Panjim, same thing happened in Aldona. So people also are thinking that.
But it can also happen now.
Yes, I'm coming to that point. So they realize that this party is not of big use this time. And so they brought another party from Bengal. It is very clear indication, everyone knows in Goa, how the last minute a team comes from Bengal and just offers money and money and money to the congressmen, Congress leaders. First, they have given the retirement package to Luisin Falero, so now he's happy. His entire retirement thing is settled. Then they have taken other leaders. Recently, they have purchased our another MLA, Alex Reginald. So, and they have taken a lot of our offices, depending on that, some thousands rupees, some lakhs rupees, sometimes it goes on crores of rupees. And it is open in the market. And Tenka in lot this now. They are openly saying that we are here to buy the people. They have come for one purpose. The purpose is set by Amit Shah in Delhi. The money also, everyone knows from there where the money is coming to them. So by using them, BJP feels that they will able to defeat Congress, so that these two parties will break Congress votes and they will win. But people of Goa, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had said once, "Ajib hai ye Goa ke log."
Yes.
So nobody can predict. Nobody can predict what the Goa people are thinking, how they are thinking, how they will react. See, हे कोणूच प्रेडिक्ट करपाक शकता. तो आयपेकाचो प्रशांत किशोर म्हणटा तें नांव आयकलां आसतलें तें सारको एक्सपर्ट आनी हें म्हणटालो, पूण गोंया पावतकच कितें जालें. सो गोंयच्या लोकांक प्रेडिक्ट करपाक शकता. एवरी इंडिविज्युअल इज युनीक. It's not like other states where you buy one leader and then 500 votes you will get. Goa is not like that. And Goans are not for sale. Goan leaders may be for sale. You can buy Goan leaders, but you can't buy Goan voters. And Goan voter म्हणटा yes, self-respect. Now they are very clear that we have to defeat BJP. Now there are only two parties in government, Goa, which can form the government. This is very open. One is Congress, one is BJP. Those who feel that they are totally connected to ideology of BJP, they will vote for BJP. Those who feel that BJP has to be defeated, and those voters who are very connected to Congress, who are loyal Congress voters, they will vote for Congress. They will not allow their vote to get split by A party, B party, C party. They will not lose their vote unnecessarily. They will not waste their vote. So we are becoming the alternate party to the people of Goa, so that they vote us decisively to defeat BJP without allowing त्यांचे वोट डिवायड करून स्प्लिट करपाक दिनासतना ती वोट सगळी कॉन्सोलिडेट काँग्रेसी बरोबर जाली जाल्यार इट्स इजी टू डिफीट BJP. सी द अदर पार्टीज कॅन दे क्रॉस 2 or 3 seats? I will not even give them 2 or 3 seats. But with 2 or 3 seats, can you form the government in Goa? You can't form the government. So we are appealing people of Goa, vote decisively. Give us full-fledged majority, not like last time, so that you give BJP advantage to buy the voters. So this time we are confident the people of Goa will give us a clear mandate, a clear majority to form the government, and within 1 hour we will be at the Raj Bhavan to stake a claim. Our government will be formed, and immediately we said all those anti-Goa decisions this government has taken, we are going to scrap. Now 3 linear projects, the coal, people are against it. Now some parties are giving, who is giving water free, some giving power free, some say pension. Which Goan has asked? What Goans are asking today, they are not understanding. Goan are asking for a decent employment opportunities. Goans are asking free environment free of pollution. You give them free environment, but that nobody is promising, because everyone is hand in gloves with Adani, because entire that money is coming to them from them. So they are not giving the guarantee to the people of Goa on the scrapping of these 3 linear projects. We are the only party in Goa which has very boldly said we are going to scrap these anti-Goa projects, the projects which will destroy Goa, not once, right from our block level, district level, to Rahul Gandhi. We have made it very clear. As far as the corruption issue is concerned, the corruption issue which you raised is सामको सगळ्यांक व्हडलो इश्यू जाल्लो आसा करप्शनान, आनी करप्शनान आमकां काबार केल्लें आसा. लोक आयुक्ता जो गोंयचो आसा तेजे दात काडले, ताका बेश्टो वीक करून दवरला. 21 cases of Lok Ayukta are pending. That means Lok Ayukta is already given, Justice Mishra, retired Justice Mishra has already given verdict on 21 Lok Ayukta cases involving this government of corruption. They have asked them in some cases to file CBI, file FIR, but this corrupt government of Pramod Sawant, they have rejected those. They have just kept those cases in a deep freezer. We want to give a strong Lok Ayukta. We have already committed, we have already promised people of Goa. We want such a powerful, strong Lok Ayukta that even if tomorrow one of the minister in our government does corruption, he should be in the jail. So we will not tolerate any kind of
But
corruption.
normally these promises are given
No, you see-
before the election.
Yeah, but we tell me one promise that Congress has made a U-turn. We have delivered what we have promised. If you can't deliver, we don't promise. We are committed for that. And we will stand by our word.
And
We are committed. We have already moved this bill. It's not just our leader of opposition, Mr. Digambar Kamath, has already tabled that bill in the House. This government had no courage even to discuss that bill because they have diluted this bill. हे bill त्यांनी सांगा corruption करपा खातीर dilute करून दवरला. 21 cases are in the small state of Goa. See the COVID time, how many people lost their life. See how the jobs are being sold. All those whose academic record is so powerful, when it comes to promote someone government's exam, they fail. All other competitive exams, they pass. And who passes here? Those who give money. Or you should be PA of government, you get 100 marks. Or you should be staying in the Vishwajit Rane's constituency. Then तूं सारको पास जाता, इजिली पास जाता. आनी बाकीचे गोंयांक जे भुरगे सारके बरे शिकताय ते तेंगे एग्जामीक फेल जाता. So these are all manipulations. The jobs are sold to the highest bidder and entire corruption which we have exposed completely. Completely exposed.
but nobody seems to be listening.
No, but we have other options. We are on it. We will give justice to the Goan youths, Goan candidates. तेंगे पेरेंट्सान कितें करप ते गरीब आहाय म्हणून तांकां पयशे नाय म्हणून तेंच्यांनी तांकां जॉब मेळप ना.
लोक दिवपी आहा न्हू.
हय पूण दिवपी आहाय ते दिताय आनी जॉब घेताय न्ही.
वय
बाकीच्यांनी कितें करप जांकां पयशे नाय तेणी कितें करप तेंगे पेरेंट्सान कितें करप.
म्हणजे हें करप्शन मुंचोल्यान पावंड्यारूच न्हू सकयले पावंड्यार पावलां.
सोकरे म्हणून तेजे एक्झाम कंडक्ट करपाचे आसता. आय हॅव नेम्ड इट. आय हॅव चॅलेंज देम टू फायल अ डिफेमेशन ऑन मी. I will prove everything.
तुकडे आहा प्रूफ सारके
I've
आहा.
said it boldly. I'm saying it again on your channel. I've shown it with the proof. They're collecting money. 25, 35 lakhs for the PSI engineers post. For a clerical post, 15 lakhs to 20. Constable, 10 lakhs. So it's open in
पूण
the
ते
market.
ते थोडे कितें म्हणटा आदल्यानूय काँग्रेसूय आसतना ही स्टार्ट केल्लें बट इट वॉज स्मॉल मनी.
See, Congress government, I remember many candidates who applies to come to us. And we used to go to the chief minister that we used to make the list and say these are the candidates who have approached us. They used to say first thing, let them pass exam, we will not interfere. So, we will not interfere in manipulating the results. Let them first pass and come on merit. We will think something on that later. But this is a completely frustrating. That जो बरो भुरगो जो करियरांक बेस्ट जाता आनी तो ह्या एग्जामी फेल जाता कितें जातलें त्या भुरग्यांचेर त्या पेरेंट्सांक कितें जातलें. So all the documents are with me and I am going to expose them. This recruitment they have to restart. So I have appealed people also, youths also, don't give money. Because electricity department, one High Court has already cancelled all the appointments after 5 years. Those students have suffered now. They have paid the money to the ministers. They lost the job. They are out on the roads today. Government, as per the High Court order, they have recruited new candidates.
So, but once you come to power, say for example, will you rectify all this?
We will conduct detailed inquiry. We will give justice to the youths of Goa, parents of those youths whose results were manipulated, exams were manipulated. All ministers are involved in this. How? What? To some extent, if you are doing 1 or 2 marks, we can understand. Not means you are just rewriting the entire paper. What is this?
These things
Never happened. It is nothing but another Vyapam. What happened Vyapam in Madhya Pradesh? It is worse than Vyapam.
But why is this happening now?
Elections, they feel that they will not get elected, and they are just offering this for making money. तांकां सद्याक पयशे करपाक जाय. तांकां गॅरंटी ते सामके गॅरंटी आहा तांकां परत तांकां गव्हर्मेंट येवपाना म्हणून. सो दे आर कॉन्फिडंट.
You talked about these appointments, recruitment. Now we are also seeing problems like in Kalangut what has happened. They say there also there is big money.
Of course, there's corruption everywhere. Everywhere the corruption is there. हे सरकाराक कडेन corruption शिवाय कांय करपाकूच जायना. You must have seen there, Old Goa, heritage, this, what has happened there. One building has been constructed in the present of that heritage, world heritage structure, where no permission can be given for any repairs. So how they have given the permission?
And I
And they have
think-
used the forged signature
Yes.
of the landlord, which we have exposed again. We have exposed that illegalities in the month of June.
But nothing happened from then
No,
to now.
no. They were raising the issue. Nobody was listening to their voice. So when we got to know, we raised that issue. We invited our experts in the party, like we have architect Tulio and our lawyer, former AG Carlos. So I had a meeting with them, consulted, and how to go about it. And we exposed that first, the illegalities there, and thereafter we went there and protested. Then issue got highlighted. Our intention was to make that issue public. So the public of Goa, people of Goa should know what the illegalities are going. We want to draw the attention of the government on that. Thereafter those people said, now thank you, you have raised our issue. Now let's fight it non-politically. They requested us, you just back us from behind. Now we as a citizens want to take this. So they formed some group of Save Old Goa.
Yes.
They started protesting. I participated in their every protest, but I never went on the stage because we don't want to politicize this issue.
But Carlos is the one who pointed out that there is signature could be
Yeah,
forged.
yeah, that is again we have exposed, but we never went and claimed. We never put up big hoardings to claim that we have it. We did our job. We did our duty as the opposition party to give the voice to the voiceless. Nobody was listening to them.
But did the previous owner say that this is my signature which has been forged?
Yes, it's given in writing. The police case has been lodged. So now it's up
And
to the
has the
government.
police
Now
taken
it is the
action?
police. Now, do these police go behind any culprit? Government फक्त choose करता कोणा harass करपाचो, कोणा target करपाचें. That's all.
So we hope that you come out trumps with your ideology, which you think it is very much needed to cleanse this politics in Goa.
आमकां गोंयच्या लोकांचेर विश्वास आसा. गोंयच्या लोकांचेर आमी ट्रस्ट विन केल्लो आसा आनी आमकां खात्री आहा की गोंयचो लोक ह्या फावटी आमकां एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दितले विथ नॉट जस्ट सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी बट विथ एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी. नाव पीपल, आय जस्ट अपील पीपल ऑफ गोवा, डोंट वेस्ट युअर वोट. It's a clear, only two parties can form the government. There is no third party which can form the government in Goa. आमकां तो हॉच गव्हर्मेंट नाका, आमकां क्लियर कट गव्हर्मेंट जाय, एक पार्टी गव्हर्मेंट जाय, आनी लेट्स गिव अ क्लियर मॅन्डेट टू अस and we will deliver a good government, a people friendly government, a government who will listen to the people of Goa, government who will protect the identity of Goa, government which will create employment to Goans, the government which will resolve all the pending issues before the people, the government which will undo all the damages the previous government has done, and we offer ourselves to be the alternate of this government.
The people's impression is that without money you cannot win the elections, and people's impression again that Congress does not have big money to contest and win the elections.
इलेक्शन सगळींच जिखपाक पयशे नाकाय, लोकांचो विश्वास आनी लोकांचे ब्लेसिंग्स तुमकां आसल्यार पुरो. पयशे आपूण येतात आनी तुमकां सपोर्टूय आपूण येता. सो आमी सगळ्यांक हें अपील करता रे लोकां कडल्यान की आमकां लोकांचे ब्लेसिंग जाय, लोकांचो सपोर्ट जाय आनी लोकांचे आमकां गायडन्स जाय. लोकांनी जें जें आमकां सांगलां तें आमी गेल्या 4-4.5 वर्सां करीत येयल्यात. लोकांचो आवाज आमी आयकत येयल्यात, एंड वी फॉलोड द पाथ ऑफ द पीपल. नाव Gone are the days when political party is to set the agenda and people is to follow. Today, the political dynamics have changed. People set the agenda and political party has to follow. Even our today's manifesto which we have prepared is followed, strictly followed on what people are speaking, what youth are speaking, what women are speaking.
Do they aspire for a change?
Of course, because they see dark of their future. So they see only darkness with this government. This government has no vision. This government has no clarity because this government never had the mandate of the people. This government never had the blessings of the people. So we are doomed completely.
What do you think if these people continue to govern for the next?
I don't think that situation will arise because the anger against this government across the religion, across the caste, across the age, across the occupation, everyone is feeling hurt. Everyone is feel pained against this government.
Have you gone into the interiors?
Yes, even their own workers are completely they are unhappy with this government. त्या गव्हर्मेंटान कितें केल्या सगळे भायले आमदार वयले आमचे आनी दुसरे पार्टीचे आनी आपल्या ओन वर्करांक कंप्लिटली सायडलायन केल्ले आसा तांकां ते विचारिना सो दे आर ऑल्सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड टुडे
पूण हे पळय 10 जाण पळय तेणे वयले आनी घेतलेले तेन्ना देर वर नो रिपरकशन्स फ्रॉम देम एट ऑल ते आतां आपणाचे हें करपाक पूण रिपरकशन पूण तेन्ना कोणें कांयच करूंक ना
because they had some, like we have also have a dedicated and committed party man. They also have committed and disciplined party man. मातशे तेणी पाशेस काडलें थोडो टायम पूण जेन्ना ते पाशेस ताका पळोवंकूच ना आनी काम जेणी जे BJPचे असली वर्कर आसात म्हाका मेळटा ते म्हणटा आमी आमचो घाम दिला आमकां केन्ना पयशे घेवना कांय घेवना कांय बेनिफीट घेवना आनी आयज गोवोरमेंटान आमकां नाडले म्हणटा ते BJPन नाडले आमकां लिडरशिपीन सो ते आमकां अप्रोच जातात आमी हांकां डिफीट करुया म्हणटा हांकां डिफीट आमी BJP आमी पत्ते BJP वयतले पूण ह्या फावटी आमी तांकां बुद्ध शिकोवया म्हणटा हे BJPचे वर्कर्स आमकां येवन सांगतात
So we have to wait for the D-Day and then only we'll know who will be elected, whether there will be a change or whether there will be no change. Girish Bab, you have taken your precious time to be with us. Thank you very much and wish you all the best
Thank you.
in your political career.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.